In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Google Drive link. We'll start from Gmail and end with a shareable link you can send to anyone. Make sure you're signed into the Google account that owns the file you want to share. If you have multiple accounts, double check you're in the right one before you begin to avoid permission issues later. With Gmail open in your browser, look toward the top right of the page. Just to the left of your profile picture, you'll see the Google Apps icon, the little grid of dots. Click that to open the Apps menu. This menu is the quickest way to jump between Google services without typing any addresses or leaving your current tab. From the Apps menu, click Drive. That opens Google Drive where all your files and folders live. Give the page a moment to load if you have a lot of content. If you know the file name, you can use the search bar at the top of Drive to find it quickly. Otherwise, navigate through your folders until you see the item you want to share. Click the file or folder once to select it, then click Share. You can use the Share button at the top right of the Drive interface, or right-click the item and choose Share from the menu. Either way, this opens the sharing window, which is where you control who can access your content and how. In the sharing window, look for the section labeled General Access. This section determines whether the link you generate is limited to specific people, restricted entirely, or accessible more broadly. It's the key area for creating a link that others can open. Change the setting to anyone with the link if you want the link to work for anyone you send it to, even if they're not signed into a Google account. While you're here, check the permission level to the right. Viewer is safest for most cases and lets people see the file. Commenter lets them leave feedback on supported files. Editor gives full editing access, so only choose that if you trust your recipients. Once your access and permission settings look right, click Copy Link. You'll see a confirmation that the link has been copied to your clipboard. You can now paste it into an email, chat, document, or wherever you need to share it. As a quick tip, you can open a private or incognito window and paste the link there to make sure it behaves the way you expect. If you ever need to restrict access later, return to the same sharing window, adjust general access back to restricted, and your previously shared link will stop working for others. That's all there is to it.